In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage staff roles within Shopify's point of sale system. This is an essential skill for business owners who need to efficiently manage employee access to various features within their store. Whether you're just getting started with Shopify or looking to deepen your understanding, this guide will simplify the entire process. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the My Store section. This will take you to your store's main management area, where you can access various facets of your Shopify account. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, look for the Point of Sale option. Click on it to enter the Point of Sale channel settings. This area is specifically designed to help manage transactions, staff, and more that occur in your physical store. Now that you're in the point of sale section, look for the staff option. This is usually found within the channel. By clicking here, you get to access the list of all staff presently registered within your point of sale system. From here, if you're looking to add a new team member, simply click on Add Staff. This action will open a new window with various fields that need to be filled out to set up your new staff member. One of the first things you'll need to provide is the staff member's contact information. This is vital for ensuring that you have the necessary details stored in case you need to get in touch with them or update any roles. Once you've clicked on Contact Information, fill in the relevant sections including email address and any other required details. With the contact information sorted, you now need to grant access by clicking on the Point of Sale Access option. Here you'll find the POS role field, which will allow you to choose the level of access your new staff member will have. A good practice is to assign limited permission for most staff members. This ensures they have restricted access, minimizing the risk of unauthorized changes, but still allowing them to perform their daily tasks efficiently. Next, head over to the PIN section, which is critical for your store's security. Assigning a unique PIN to each staff member ensures that only authorized individuals can access your point of sale system, providing an extra layer of protection. Finally, once all these sections have been completed and you've reviewed the information you've entered, click Save. This action commits all changes and officially adds your new staff member to the system. Remember, maintaining accurate and updated employee records is instrumental for smooth store operations. That's it for today's guide. I hope you found it helpful and are now more confident in managing your Shopify point of sale settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.